విశాఖలో ఏపీ సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. అలాగే చూద్దాం.
And also wearables and also sensors. Real-time data is coming. Real-time solution we can find. Real-time execution we can do. Today I am proud to say around 700 services government is providing online, that to WhatsApp governance. No need to come to any office. All services will be provided real time through WhatsApp governance. That is the status we have reached as on today. So with all these things, what I wanted to impress upon all of you, innovation is the order of the day. Every day you have to do differently. Then only we can achieve our goals. For that also we have done recently one experiment. Ratan Tata Innovation Hub we have started. 5 zones, 5 spokes we have created. Visakhapatnam GMR is leading. Rajamandri, one more zone, Greenco. Another zone, Vijayawada, local entrepreneur, our Mega. And Tirupati zone, Adhani. And also Anantapur zone, Jindal. They are all leading now. I wanted to bring industrialists to lead the entrepreneur skills and also knowledge partner best universities. I want to create that ecosystem, venture capital, mentoring, innovations. Ultimately our aim is one family, one entrepreneur. That is my public policy today. I am assuring you, 25 years back, I promoted one family, one IT professional. Today I can say proudly, you go to any country, you see Indians are doing extremely well. Among Indians, 35% Telugu community, highest per capita income within 25 years are from Andhra Pradesh. If I can promote today one family, one entrepreneur, then you can imagine within 25 years time, Andhra Pradesh will be the, not only Andhra Pradesh, this is where I am always saying, think globally, act globally, distance is not the constraint. In a knowledge economy, you think anything, you can achieve it. Either physically or virtually, you can work today. That is the biggest advantage. Here, coming to our logistics, I am approaching integrated approach in this regard. If you see national highways, we are focusing very well. All our national highways at far the best in the country, not only in the country, international standards. And also all our state highways, we are concentrating within 1 or 2 years' time. It will every nook and corner, I will connect my highways, the best highways, basing on traffic, single lane, double lane, 4 lane, multi-lane, everything we are working in that. Rail connectivity, fortunately, South India, North India has to be connected only through Andhra Pradesh. Without Andhra Pradesh, nobody can, except air connectivity they can have, but not rail connectivity. Forcibly they have to go from Andhra Pradesh. This is where we are working rail connectivity. That is where survey also has been ordered now. Bullet train also is going to come from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Amaravati and Chennai. 4 cities, 5 crore population are going to connect. That is the biggest economy we are having. So rail connectivity, if you see Kolkata to Chennai, from here to Hyderabad, all connectivity one of the best way. We want to take rail connectivity in a big way. Inland waterways. We are having so many advantages on inland waterways. Krishna, Godavari. More than 1500 kilometers. We can have inland waterways connecting to port different states.